everyone and welcome to Grow Your Learning, your go-to source for insightful discussions on the latest trends and developments in the professional world. This is Jigyasa and today we delve into the intricate world of apprenticeship in India, a topic that's gaining significant attention as organizations look for innovative ways to bridge the skills gap. Joining us in this discussion, we have a special guest with us, Mr. Sanjeev Nagar, who's currently working with ALA Consulting. He's a seasoned expert in the field of public sector consulting with more than 30 years of experience. Welcome, Mr. Nagar.
Thank you, Jigyasa, for having me.
To kick things off, let's address the basics of apprenticeship. Apprenticeship, in essence, is a structured training program that combines theoretical learning with practical hands-on experience. In India, it plays a crucial role in bridging the gap between formal academic education and industry requirements. It allows individuals to acquire specific skills while being employed and earning a wage simultaneously. Grow Your Consulting plays a crucial role in advising our existing and potential industry partners on the design, implementation and evaluation of apprenticeship programs. We assist in identifying skill gaps, developing relevant curricula, facilitating industry partnerships and monitoring effectiveness of these programs. Our aim is to ensure that apprenticeship initiatives are sustainable, impactful, and aligned with the evolving needs of the economy. Mr. Nagar, could you shed some light on the current state of apprenticeship programs in India and the key benefits that organizations as well as apprentices can derive from these programs?
Certainly, the landscape of apprenticeship in India has gained considerable ground in the last 4 to 5 years. The apprenticeship mandate has been there since about 1961. Primarily focusing on manufacturing sectors. Certain amendments were brought in 2019 latest, including services sector, thus widening the scope of all sectors to provide apprenticeship opportunities to youth based on their educational qualifications. This helped India to start looking at human resources, requirement to fulfill the future-ready workforce required to help mandates like Skill India and Make in India, as many businesses started evolving, contributing to emerging markets in the economy. The two schemes which help in comply to apprenticeship mandates, NAPS, which is the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme, run under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and NATS, which is National Apprentice Training Scheme, which is managed under the Ministry of Education, Board of Apprenticeship Training. Just to share some figures, NAPS, which was launched in 2016, has seen tremendous growth from about 3 lakhs to about 7 lakhs apprentices in year 22-23. Similarly, NATS has also seen similar growth, numbers in industry adopting apprentice mandates going up to a level of about 12 lakhs. To also give you a comparison of how India is faring in comparison to other countries, Germany had about 4 lakh apprentices in 2022. US had 6 lakh apprentices in 2022. France had nearly 8 lakh apprentices in 2022. And UK had 7 lakh apprentices. With Indian working population of nearly 400 million, even a 10% apprentice count would mean almost 4 million apprentices yearly. With the current market scenario and technology development, the requirement of a robust talent pipeline is the need of the hour for industries to compete in the marketplace. Apprentices provide you some key solutions to ever-existing workforce requirement in a nation like ours, where our geographical dividend needs to be tapped to address the skills shortage. The apprentices are to be hired in the band of 2.5% to 15% of the workforce of any establishment who has more than 30 workers is obligatory. Every apprentice undergoing apprenticeship training in an establishment is a trainee and not considered a worker. Hence, the provision of any law with respect to labor shall not apply in relation to such an apprentice. The provisions of minimum wages, social security like ESI and PF are not mandated. With new job roles evolving, which were not there about 2 years back, industry is prioritizing apprenticeship engagements to its potential to create a robust and sustainable talent pool as per its requirements, addressing the skills shortage and cultivating staff loyalty and retention. We are seeing surge in apprenticeship hiring in sectors like IT/ITES and BFSI as freshers intake has reduced drastically, looking at market dynamics and conditions now. Major industries which are hiring apprentices in large numbers are automotive, retail, IT/ITES, electronics, as we see many organizations evolving in this space, and BFSI with tremendous growth in fintech and growth of NBFCs.
Fascinating insights. Mr. Nagar, given the dynamic nature of industries, how have apprenticeship models adapted over a period of time to meet the evolving needs of businesses? And based on your experience, could you also highlight a few of the key challenges faced on the successful execution of the apprenticeship programs?
With the target of India becoming the third largest economy in some years, the market is seeing a lot of potential of growth and requires a skilled workforce to handle such trajectory. There are different models which industry is adopting to climatize the apprentices through degree programs and higher entry and deploy models. The apprenticeship model gives the company flexibility and cost-effective talent development to hire trainees in metros and tier 2 and tier 3 towns as per the evolving market conditions and business requirements. I also wanted to share a very interesting data here, as we are seeing about 5-fold increase or growth in women apprentices in the last 5 years, from about 20,000 to about 1 lakh now. One of the major challenges is the mindset shift required among stakeholders, including policymakers, employers, and educational institutions. There needs to be a concerted effort to break down the traditional stigma associated with vocational training and promote apprenticeship as a viable career path. Additionally, there are logistical challenges such as infrastructure, funding, and regulatory compliance that needs to be addressed to ensure the smooth implementation of these programs I'll do together.
Indeed, overcoming these challenges is imperative for the holistic development of the workforce. Now we are almost nearing the end of our discussion. Considering the current job market and the challenges posed by the ongoing global situation, how do you see the future of apprenticeships in India? Do you also have any advice for organizations looking to implement apprenticeship programs or for young talents considering apprenticeships as a career path?
We are seeing considerable change in the apprenticeship engagement patterns across different industries from 22-23 FY and 23-24. Engineering, industrial engineering, electrical and electronics, telecom are the leading sectors, hiring apprentices constituting about 70% of apprenticeship engagements. Most organizations are employing apprentices in the past year considering the higher ROI, looking at ongoing uncertainties and global turmoil. As a nation, we have a long way to capitalize on available resources. We have to develop a talent development plan which is long-term and cost-effective, increase women's labor participation, and plan for its transformative phase for its workforce. Embracing the apprenticeship model will help many organizations to scale up in a controlled way, expanding their reach and adapting to changing business scenarios. It's a win-win situation for both organizations looking at fresh talent, whom they could skill and groom as per their business requirements in a cost-effective way, and also similar opportunities is for all our youth who do not get an opportunity to learn these skills to work in an organization as a trainee apprentice. We are on a threshold of growth, and only for servicing domestic requirements, but also becoming a work engine and provider of services for most large economies. Our preparedness to leapfrog in future also depends on how we embrace apprenticeship and provide the respect and treatment it requires.
Well said, Mr. Nagar. Thank you for sharing your valuable insights with us today. And to our viewers, thank you for joining us on Grow Your Learning. Stay tuned for more thought-provoking discussions on the latest trends in the development sector. Before we conclude, I would just like to emphasize the importance of collaboration and partnership among all stakeholders to ensure the success of apprenticeship programs. By working together, we can create a future-ready workforce that drives innovation, productivity, and economic growth. So let's harness the power of apprenticeship to unlock the full potential of India's workforce and propel the nation towards greater prosperity. And with that, we come to the end of today's discussion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and feel free to reach out with any topics you would like us to explore in the future videos. You can also visit our website and other social media platforms for professional updates. The links are provided in the comment section below. Until next time, this is Grow Your Learning signing off.